Driven by the desire to touch Kobe, Robert's journey from crawling to walking began. Each movement brought him a little closer to Kobe.
Both. Yeah, Kobe, come on. Who is first? Yes, 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 you can do it. You can do it. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Come to mommy. Up, up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on.
When it was time to stand, Robert often fell, but Kobe was there to inspire him to try again.
Oh, so beautiful!
The big moment came when Robert walked his first full steps towards Kobe, wanting to share something with him. It was a wonderful achievement after many tries. From that day on, every step, every fall, and every success was about being near Kobe.
Stop, 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 stop.
This is a story about how children should remind us,
Stop.
no matter how many times we fall,
Okay, go, 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 go. Puppy. Whoa.
we should stand up and achieve our goal.
Come on.